Here we have a Samsung Pro Plus. Before I did a Samsung Evo Plus microSD card, but today we have a Pro Plus version. It also comes with SD card adapter, and manufacturer is giving 160 megabytes per second reading speeds and 120 megabytes per second writing speeds. Let's check it out. The reported size is correct, and I want to know that a microSD card is connected with USB 3.0 card reader on the USB 3.2 port on my PC. These are test results. As you can see, 95.94 read speed and 86.37 write speed with really decent rest of results. But one thing is bothering me regarding this, and I will show you what. On the top, the results are from Samsung Pro Plus, and on the bottom, the results are from Samsung Evo Plus. As you can see, the read speeds are theoretically identical. Write speeds are better on Pro Plus for around 20 megabytes per second, which is significant if you need that for your device. But if you're using let's say, a gaming device, Switch or something like that, it is not that much important, really. If you're using a recording device, you want those write speeds to be high as much as possible, realistically. I did try a multiple 3.0 card readers, and they all were giving me identical results with few percent oscillations, but that is normal. So I was, okay, let's see if I'm having a bottleneck with my USB ports of my PC. So here I have connected my SSD from SanDisk on the USB port, and here are results from it. 431 write 270, which means that USB ports are not a bottleneck. So we have a conclusion here. If you're in buying position to buy a Pro Plus or Evo Plus, if you are not using a video recording device, there is really no need to buy a Pro Plus version, which offers higher write speeds, but that is only benefit which I can see at this point. If you're interested to buy any of these two, I included links in the description box. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them down below, and until next time, see ya.